So DA is operating different airports in the world, but the biggest and the largest in Ireland is Dublin Airport. The number of passengers back in 2019 was nearly 32 million passengers. Now in 2023 we are going back to those numbers. So it's a very, very busy airport, and it would be one of the fastest growing airports in Europe.
When I started, we were using quite a number of systems, and they weren't really led by ourselves, and so that meant we had data in various different locations. We also needed a system that was accepted in the industry as being a sort of an industry standard.
And in July 2022, we transitioned completely from DIM 360 to ACC. We use it from the whole full life cycle of the asset that we capture from the moment zero to the end of the asset. So we operate the asset we have at the airport. So we have a team on site which design, we supervise the construction, and then we have a team on site we maintain and operate those assets. So what we wanted to do is to use the platform to create the information from the design point of view to make sure we are capturing the information to operate and maintain those assets. That brings transparency and innovation in a way that people are working together from a collaborative point of view. And that's very different to what we used to do. For us, the innovation comes from the fact that we bring more assurance in the quality of our data, of the standardization of the information we're looking for, and the documentation and the supply chain that we work with. So for us, obviously, the priority is our passengers, making sure they have a seamless journey going through the airport, while having a fabulous experience as well.
So I think the key thing is standardization, access to data, and producing metrics from that data is been really important for us, and I think it's allows us to innovate. Autodesk were very good about keeping us up to date, and we're very engaged in terms of our needs on that. That was very useful.
We're finding that the build element of ACC and Autodesk product there is just brilliant at capturing the actual build, and it gives us confidence in what's been built. So we would have had people with cameras going out taking pictures, coming back to an office, generating reports, putting it onto a predetermined template in some cases. The forms part of the build has been really useful for us, especially for capturing inspections. And even the issues piece as well. So where we've got an issue been raised on site with our site teams or inspections, and the contractors are equally raising their own issues as well, we've got visibility of that as it's been done, and we can actually show that the issue has been properly closed out. The contractors have been very much engaged in this. They see the benefit of this as well. It's been really useful for them because it demonstrates to us as their client that they're able to deliver on what we expect them to deliver on, and we can see that in real time.
I can't even imagine what it would be like to go back into the history of going paper-based and disparate solutions to deliver a project.